So a lot of people have been asking me, when is the right time to invest in crypto? If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, then definitely keep watching this video, because you will know when it's the right time and in what you should invest. So I have a lot of experience and knowledge that I can share and what I learned from that. I've been in cryptocurrencies since 2013. I've been to 4 booms and busts. I've traded over 100 million in volume, and in 2017 I made a lot of money trading cryptocurrencies, and I'll put the video here so you can watch it there. So hey, my name is Marek, I'm an entrepreneur and business owner, and today I'm going to share with you how you know when it's the right time to invest in cryptocurrencies. Basically, the patterns of the markets are always the same. That's the basic rule that I handle. There's a book from Tony Robbins. It's called Money Master Game. I'll put a link in the description. And he tells about how every market has different cycles. And he compares it with the seasons of the year. He talks about you have a winter season, you have a spring season, you have a summer season, you have an autumn or fall season. And I like that analogy because it makes it so much more easier to understand what cycles are in markets and in trading. And right now we're definitely 2022, the end of 2022, we're definitely in a winter market. And what I've seen in those 8-9 years that I've been trading cryptocurrencies, basically every 4 years there's a boom and a bust. And that's tied to the Bitcoin halving. And maybe you've heard about the golden Bitcoin ratio, which basically tells that there are, 4 phases. There is a boom phase, there's a bust phase, there's a accumulation phase, and there's a wear off phase. I believe right now we are in the wear off phase. The main thing I want to look for when to buy cryptocurrencies is how's the market doing right now compared to a couple of months ago. Ideally like 1 or 2 months ago, because that tells us a lot of what's going to happen next. And so what you see in every boom, that markets go up, and there's a lot of trading volume. There are a lot of new people coming in. There's a lot of media hype about crypto. You hear people talking about it in the gym, in the grocery store, everywhere you go. You hear it a lot. That's usually not the best time to buy. That's usually the best time to sell. Unfortunately, that's when most people hear about it, and that's when they invest. So usually when the masses come in, when a lot of people come in, that's when you should be wary and should be careful to invest your money in cryptocurrencies, because that's usually a sign that it's gonna end soon. And I've made that mistake a billion times. Like I thought we were still going further and then we didn't, or I thought like this was the end and we still went a hell of a lot further. Another very important lesson, you never know when the exact top or bottom is. Don't even try to time it, because it's impossible. People who say on YouTube that, oh, now it's gonna be the top, oh, now it's gonna be the end, they're just guessing. They don't know. Nobody knows whether the stock market is going up or down, or sideways, or in freaking circles. So don't time the top, don't time the bottom. So Marek, you say when everybody's coming in, I should not invest. Meaning, if the opposite is true, when there's zero interest, is that the time when you should invest? Yes. If everybody on the media or around you says like, oh, crypto is gonna end, they're gonna regulate it, they're gonna this, they're gonna do that, this is gonna put an end to cryptocurrency, that's the moment you should invest. But here's another thing. You already hear that throughout the year, and you can hear that even in a bull market. So you have to be careful again. One key important metric is interest is very low. Prices have been going down for months, and there seems to be no end in sight to the bottom. But there's always an end. There's always an end. This key important factor that I look for is how stable is the market. When we go up, people start buying in, coming in, prices start to increase massively. There's like this euphoria, everybody is happy, everybody's excited. Yes, we're gonna make a lot of money, woo! And then all of a sudden, boom, crashes start to happen. People start panicking. People start selling lower than they bought it for. They just want to get their money back. And then people start coming in again. It's like up and down all the time. And it's going up and down, up and down. It's very volatile. We call it very volatile when prices go up and down very fast. Usually after a long period of volatility, there is a period of almost nothingness. Prices are not moving up, prices are not moving down. And you can check this in the history. From 2018, 2019, there was this period. 2015, 16, the same period was there. In 2011, 12-ish, there was the same period. It's like, it's always there. There's a period of no interest. People are not really bullish, people are not really bearish. And that's the moment that I wanna jump in. Usually you see price action moving, if you look at a chart, between two lines. And you see price moving in that line. So you see it's touching the bottom of the line, then it's touching the top, then it's touching the bottom, top, bottom. A couple of times it touched. That's when you know that's the end. And this period of, you know, going up and down, that's usually a couple of weeks, couple of months. That's the thing I'm looking for. When it starts to go out, when it wants to go out. You cannot time the bottom. So you want to call it dollar cost averaging. So you want to buy on certain periods of time. You don't want to buy everything at once. So you get like the average price of cryptocurrency. And so what do you invest in? Like, is it Bitcoin? Is it Ethereum? Is it Binance Coin? Is it Ripple? Well, I don't know what you should invest in, but it depends on what your risk tolerance is. I believe that if you go into Bitcoin, if you go into Ethereum, you can get good returns and the risk is lower, but the upside is also more limited. Where if you choose more low market cap, the higher the potential it has. And that's a very important thing. Always look at the market cap, never look at the price. The market cap simply means the price of a cryptocurrency multiplied by the amount of circulation. So let's say there's 1 million of a certain token and one token is worth $10. It means the market cap is $10 million. Of course, there are a lot of low market cap coins, but it means that the reward can also be higher. So it all depends on your risk level. Which one do you feel comfortable with? And that's how you decide into invest. And I'll give you another link here down where you can see all the cryptocurrencies that are out there. It's my favorite website that I like to go. Check it out. Other questions people ask me, like, hey, what's your favorite platform? My favorite platform right now by far is Binance. So I have a little coupon where you can get a discount when you register on Binance, and you get a percentage discount on your trading fees, which can add up to a lot when you trade a lot. So I'm gonna put that here down in the description, and you can register and you can buy there your first cryptocurrency with Visa, with bank transfer, and I think you're gonna love it. So hey, if you have any questions about cryptocurrencies or how you want to invest or what you should invest in, drop it down in the comments below. I'm gonna check it out for sure and I'm gonna answer your question, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and God bless.